Hey, scientists, grab those lab coats and goggles as we elaborate on how life cycles are similar to one another. Let's get into it with our essential questions.
Now, let's talk about our essential question. Remember, essential questions in science and in different lessons can help us think about what we already know about a topic, and it helps us connect to new ideas that we're going to learn today to help us produce a new thought about the topic. Our essential questions will be focused on our different science topics. So look for keywords. In those keywords, the minute you see them and recognize them, I want you to think, what do I already know about this topic? Once you have that in your mind, you want to look at the question again to see what we're trying to answer today or what are we trying to answer about that topic. It's important to remember that an essential question is like a goal as well. By the end of our science lesson, you should confidently be able to answer the essential question. Let's go over our essential question for today.
Pause the video and read the essential questions now as a class. For our warm up activity today, we are going to be watching the monarch butterfly metamorphosis time lapse. In this video, it's a sped up version of what a butterfly's life cycle looks like. We are going to watch the video once through all the way without making any comments or any statements. Then we're going to watch it through a second time. The second time through, anytime you see a stage in the butterfly change, so in the butterfly's life, you're going to stand up. Once you stand up, the teacher will pause the video and you're going to discuss what observations you made or what you saw happening to the butterfly. So remember, the first time we're watching the video once through, just making our observations in our brain. And the second time we'll watch it again, jumping whenever we see something change, and then sharing our observations to the class. Pause this video and switch over to watch the butterfly video now. Now that we've had a chance to explore the metamorphosis with the butterfly video, we are going to use our three vocabulary words to express some examples. On a piece of paper and with a pencil, you're going to create a similar graphic organizer to the one you see on the screen. Fold your paper in thirds, hot dog style, and then at the top of each column, write one of the vocabulary words for this unit: change, development, or life cycle. We have already practiced the definition for each of those words, and I have provided them on the screen. Include them in your graphic organizer as you create it. Once you have created your graphic organizer, you'll take time to talk with a neighbor about examples of these three words that you saw throughout the butterfly video. It could be specific vocabulary or items that were talked about as your classmates explained what they saw while they jumped, or you can explain in your own words different images or draw different pictures of what you saw throughout the video to represent one of the three vocabulary words. After you have finished, you'll go on to continue learning more about these stages of life as you read what goes on inside of a cocoon. But before you do that, it's important to understand the three vocabulary words: change, life cycle, and development. Good luck, scientists, and I'll talk to you guys soon.